Urimi wa kahua no thiete na mbere gwikirirwo na njira nene ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Umuthi Minister wa urimi Mutahi Kagwe na Murunawe wa Iganda thothaiti na wendia Wycliffe Oparanya makihithuria matacukia maria makoretwo namo guthairira urimi uyu. Mutahi oigite ni maramurika njira cia wendia wa kahua na njira nene, agitariria ati mivango ya kuingiria urimi wa kahua thiini wa thuguri cia mitambo ya kiriu kana online coffee auction ni kurikirira irarikirira undu uria ukuhura njeki urimi uyu na njira nene na kurehe umithio makiria wa kibeca.
I want to appreciate so far what has happened, especially the support of the development partners, the good coordination that we have had between the Ministry of Agriculture and the cooperatives.
Moigite mogaruruku maria maratavanio urimi wa kahua no nginya makorwo makirora murimi na njira nene, makihimbiria bill iria ri mbere ya bunge makiuga noyo ngihota guthinga mathenya maria mari thiini wa sekta ya kahua.
We are very hopeful that as soon as this particular bill goes through, it will address some of the most important issues of governance within the corporate movement, and then structures our coordination between the national government and the county government. As you know, most of the cooperatives and agriculture is evolved so that national government plays with the coordination function and policy.
Moigite no magwetha gacira ga gutigirira mavururi ma Afrika matiraingĩrĩrwo thũgũrĩ-inĩ yao ya kahua, mendekithia maria matanyite gutemania kĩgomano-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩ Rome akiumia tũrorete kia World Food Forum.
We go into Rome with is that mindset where we are discussing coffee with the view of increasing our farmer earnings. If we don't succeed in Rome in adding the earnings of our farmer, we will have failed in Rome.
In Rome, as it has been pointed out, we want to pitch with the private sector to make sure that there is private sector investment in this particular sector if we have progressed. The bureaucracy of government, and government bureaucracy is a usual thing everywhere. The bureaucracy cannot allow us to move as fast as we require, and that's why we need private investment in this particular sector. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what I hear.
Mahinyĩrĩirie arĩmi kuhuthira njĩra cia kĩrĩu ũrĩmi-inĩ wa kahua nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi makĩria. Kagwe akĩranĩra nĩ mekwararamia ũrĩmi ũyũ nginya thĩinĩ wa icigo iria itararĩmwo kahua na gũtigĩrĩra o kĩhũa nĩ kĩagĩa na wongerereku wa kiro kuma kiro 3 nginya kiro 30.
We employ coffee extension officers and already advertisement has been done. 400 of them have been identified. Our aim is to have 1,600 so that each county, each ward has at least 2 the coffee growing areas to support farmers under the revitalization program, and that has been going on.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.